How you doing today? Today I am going to show you guys a YouTube video of counterfeit money, and then I will show you an example of how our counterfeit detectors work to help you not get caught with counterfeit money. So I'm going to go ahead and push this so we can go ahead and get started here, and then once again I'm going to share with you how our counterfeit money detectors can help you catch the counterfeit money. Here we go.
Counterfeit cash has been turning up so often during the last 3 months at a strip of businesses in Rockledge. The Secret Service has been called in, and Channel 9's Darlene Jones found out how the unknown suspects are using real cash to rip off retailers.
That strip right there, you got to be able to read 50 USA dollars on it.
Deanna Smith double-checks every bill that comes to her register at Clark's True Value Hardware after a thief recently slipped her a fake $100 bill. An easy mistake that she didn't find out about until she tried to make a deposit at the bank.
When you're counting money really fast and you have a lot of it, you're not flipping them all over. And, of course, I learned to after that.
Counterfeit money has slipped through several businesses in the same shopping center on US 1 in Rockledge, and in some cases twice. We first told you in March the Secret Service is now confiscating about $30,000 worth of counterfeit cash a week in Central Florida. That's 20% more than last year, and half of it's made locally on home computers. So now the Rockledge Police Department is bringing in Secret Service agents to help show local retailers how to spot a fake because the counterfeiters are getting slick. So even if an employee uses a counterfeit pen to check the bill, it'll still turn yellow. That's because the bill itself is real. The problem is a zero's been added to the $5 bill to make it look like a 50. And if you don't know which president is supposed to be on which bill, it's easy to get scammed.
Anyone that loses $100, that's huge.
And if you or a business gets a fake bill, it's your problem. And Smith says she has no choice but to pass on the loss to customers and raise prices. In Brevard County in Rockledge, Darlene Jones, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
The Secret Service will meet with businesses Thursday morning at Rockledge City Hall to show employees what to look for. It is illegal to knowingly possess a counterfeit bill. Agents say you should contact police as soon as you realize you have one.
All right. Now let me go ahead and show you guys how our detectors work. This is how we catch the actual counterfeit money here. As you see, I have a $20 bill and I have a $50 bill. Now they both are actual bills, but what I want you to see is with our device, this is how it works. We turn this device on right here and I rub it right here. You see it? The device, you see the light is red. Okay? That means that this is counterfeit money. Okay? Now look at this. When I rub this right here, you see how it's turning green? It's lighting up green here. That means that this money is actually real. Why? It's because the U.S. Treasury makes their toner with iron oxide, which is metal particles, which is magnetic. So what happens is this magnetic sensor right here, it picks up the actual particle, the metal particles inside the ink, and allows it to trigger the sensor to allow it to change colors like this. Now, I don't care how much the counterfeiter reprint on $5 bills, $1 bills, and it is going to show up with the marker that the actual bills are real. But when you use this device right here, okay, when you use this device right here and you actually rub it right here, as you see, it's going to stay red because there's no magnetic ink. There's no iron oxide particles in this ink right here. Okay. Now look at this once again. You see how this changed colors? That's because the ink is inside of here. Okay. And then not only that, we have the actual UV light, as I spoke with you guys about on one of my other videos, which that UV light allows you to actually see the actual. If you look here, I don't know if you can see it because of the light. Let me hold it up. If you look here, you can actually see the strip. You can't see it because of the actual camera, but what this does is, if you look real closely, you'll see the actual strip following the actual, there it is. You see the strip there? This UV light allows you to go straight to the strip. So there is a lot of products out here that you can buy. But remember, this product right here that we sells is the product that detects the actual magnetic ink. It makes it real simple. When somebody gives you a 20 or 50 and you're a business owner, all you have to do is just actually rub on it, just like this right here. It turns green. It's real. You rub on it here, it don't turn green, it's counterfeit. In the same way, you can actually put it in your hand. If they give it to you, make it real quick, you rub it, it turns green, it's real. It don't turn green, it's counterfeit, okay? And we also have the actual devices as well. The same device, same UV light, does the same thing, looks for the actual strip, but with this device, you rub it here, it beeps, let you know that it's real. Once again, remember the magnetic sensor picks up the actual iron oxide particles in the actual toner from the U.S. Treasury. You rub it, it's real. You rub it here, it's not real. Thank you, and have a great day. And we help you catch the counterfeit money. Have a great night.